Table of Contents. L. Chapter 1. Chapter 1. Affiliate Marketing. Definition and Overview. L. Chapter 2. Chapter 2. Advantages and Benefits of Affiliate Marketing. L. Chapter 3. Chapter 3. How does affiliate marketing work? L. Chapter 4. Chapter 4. Getting started with affiliate marketing. L. Chapter 5. Chapter 5. How to find an affiliate program. L. Chapter 6. Chapter 6. Promoting products through affiliate program. L. Chapter 7. Chapter 7. How to make a successful affiliate website. L. Conclusion. Conclusion. Chapter 1. Affiliate Marketing. Definition and Overview. Affiliate marketing is a way of making money online. It's really a simple concept. When you are an affiliate marketer, you promote a product, service, or site for a business, and you as a publisher get rewarded for doing so. In most cases, you find products related to your niche and offer them on your website or blog. You promote the products and post a link on your site where they can purchase the products. Then, when someone follows that link to buy something, you earn a commission. The commissions can be either a percentage of the sale or a fixed amount. You've seen links to other sites when you've read other people's blogs. These links make the blogger money. For example, I write a book about affiliate marketing. Your blog is centered on tips to make money online. You actually promote and sell the book from your site. You get a percentage of the sale. It's like being paid an advertising or marketing fee. You may also sell other products that are related to your site. For example, you blog about cooking and recipes. There are endless numbers of cooking-related appliances or utensils you could sell from your site to make it easier for them to prepare those recipes. In other cases, you might earn an amount when someone follows the link and takes some kind of action such as sign up for something with their email address or complete a survey with their name and address. Your earnings are usually tracked by using a link that has a code embedded in it. This link is only used by you. They may also be tracked when the advertiser gives you a coupon code. You've probably followed a link from another site at one time or another online. You've also probably bought something where you enter a code. When customers do this, you make money without doing a thing. They do the work for you. There are a few factors that help make your affiliate marketing successful. They include the amount of traffic you have. The higher the traffic, the greater your earning potential will be. The quality of the products you recommend. Recommending junk products can really hurt you, so you want to make sure what you recommend will be of value to your readers. The amount of trust your readers have in you. If you have established trust, your readers are more likely to click on the link. Publishers like affiliate marketing for the obvious reason: you get paid while someone else does the work. You may be in bed asleep and still be earning money. If you find a product that is relevant to your niche, your earnings can be good if you have a large following. You may be wondering why an advertiser would pay people for advertising in this manner. It's a matter of cost. They may pay a lot of money for an advertising campaign that doesn't pay off. With affiliate marketing, however, they only pay when the advertising pays off. If they have a network of affiliates, they may make less per sale, but overall, their sales will increase. If you have a good level of trust with the people who read your blog, they will trust that you wouldn't recommend something they wouldn't like. This will cause them to at least look at what you're recommending. With the right sales pitch online, you can make it something they must have. If they purchase something from you and it is a good product that they like, they're more apt to buy another. They'll also pass on where they got it. That will lead more traffic to your site and increase your sales. Chapter 2. Advantages and Benefits of Affiliate Marketing. If you're looking for a way to make money online, you should consider affiliate marketing. There are numerous benefits to becoming an affiliate. These include: there's no production cost. If you wanted to set up a business selling products online, you'd have to buy, ship, and store the products. It can be costly. If you have an affiliate program, production cost isn't an issue. The merchant has already paid for the development of the product. The setup cost is low. You probably already have a desk, an internet connection, and a computer. That's all you need to get started. There are no fees or licenses to pay. Affiliate programs are usually free to join. Your geographic market reach is as big as your ability to promote your site. The internet is a worldwide marketplace. You can take advantage of this market. You can sell almost anything. There are a few blog sites that probably wouldn't be able to find a product to promote that is related to their niche, but they are limited. Almost everything you can think of is sold online. There are thousands of affiliate programs, so it is easy to find products related to your current site or the site you are planning to set up. You don't have to handle any sales to make money from them. You have no inventory, no order processing, and no shipping to deal with. You making money from sales by promoting the products, not having take care of the actual sales process. You can work from home. If you've ever had a long commute to work, you can really appreciate the ability to work from home. It's also a great way to get to spend more time with your family. You won't have the normal work expenses like gas, buying lunch, wardrobe, etc. You can work from home in the comfort of your pajamas if you want. If you have your computer with you, you can work from anywhere in the world. Have you ever wanted to travel, but taking off from work isn't an option? If so, affiliate marketing is perfect. You take your office with you. You wouldn't have to spend more than a few hours a day working, and you could visit anywhere you wanted and still be able to work. There is a minimal level of risk. If you try to sell a product and it isn't making you any money, you just stop selling it and try something else. All you have to do is take down your links and promote another product. It's that simple. You don't have to worry about being stuck in a long-term contract that binds you to promote a product that doesn't sell. There is potential for high income. With your own affiliate business online, your potential for income is only limited by your efforts. Granted, not everyone makes a lot of money. You have to be willing to put forth the effort to find, set up, and promote the products. If you promote your products well and build traffic to your site, you can have a successful affiliate business. Chapter 3. How does affiliate marketing work? People who want to make money online usually struggle with creating a website, ads, sales and closing scripts. They also have their own merchant account services. A few people may actually enjoy going through that process, but for those who don't have the time, energy, or desire to put forth that much energy, affiliate marketing is ideal. If you want to make money online using affiliate marketing, you don't have to worry about the setup. The company usually provides you with information about the product and product reviews or testimonials that you can use. However, most people prefer to write their own personal product reviews. Your payment gateway is already set up by the business. You don't have to worry about handling the money or dealing with refunds. Here are a few different areas of affiliate marketing and how it works in these areas. 1. What you offer. All you need to do is use a search engine like Google, and you can find a list of affiliate programs. A broad search will let you know every program out there. You may want to only be an affiliate for products in your niche. If so, then just search for the niche you're interested in, such as electronics affiliate programs, cosmetic affiliate programs, food preparation affiliate programs. Whatever niche you want can probably be found by simple searching for it. You may want to look at some of the affiliate resources that are popular like clickbank.com or amazon.com. There will be a distributor form. It has the terms and conditions that tell you how you're allowed to sell their products and what the commission is. Here are a few good tips to remember when you're selecting a product. First, you either have a website or blog to make decent earnings. If you don't at least have a blog, you should begin one today. Focus it on topics that you are interested in and know a lot about. With each ClickBank product there are some statistics mentioned. Let me explain them. Select products that are related to the niche of your website blog. Find items where you'll end up making at least $20 per sale. A good gravity range for selecting products is a range of 50 to 120. There are some products out there that offer at least 75% commission. It is good to select those where you'll make at least 50%. Find products with good landing pages. If you're not satisfied with the way the website looks for the product you're promoting, it will probably be hard for you to convince your audience to buy those products. Look for well-written sales copy. The best way to sell the products you promote is to find those products that help your readers solve a problem. Cost. It is usually free to sign up to be an affiliate. Some programs require a small monthly or annual fee. This helps the business their website, training, overhead, and use of their payment processors. Some vendors will require that the affiliate purchase the product in order to make the biggest commission. They feel you should have the product and use it, so you'll be prepared to give it a better recommendation based on your first-hand experience working with the product. Earning commissions. The percentage of commission will vary depending on the vendor's terms and the vendor's conditions. There isn't a set commission, and the amount of commission can vary greatly. The commission you receive is based on these things. Commission structure of the product you wish to sell. The number of people who purchase the product. This will depend on how you advertise it and how well you connect with the audience you are targeting. Whether or not the affiliate program is a program that is leveraged. It is practically impossible to truly determine how much you will make. The variables are just too great. It really depends on you. 4. Receiving commissions. Every vendor has their own method of paying commissions. There are vendors that will pay you on a regular basis no matter how little or how much you earn. Others, however, will not pay you until you reach a minimum threshold. They can pay you in different intervals such as instantly, weekly, bi-monthly, monthly, or quarterly. The types of payment you receive can vary as well. You can be paid by using ways such as a check in the mail, PayPal, direct deposit, Federal Express, or pay through a debit card. Tracking sales. You will be assigned your own ID. It will be built into your website URL when you sign up and are approved to be an affiliate. It works like this. Let's say you find a company named. You find the site and sign as an affiliate for their product. They will ask you for a username. You select Zigzag. The username can be built into your URL as a way to advertise. It may be Sometimes the company assigns you something different. Sometimes it just looks like a very long line of numbers, letters, and characters. Whatever is used, that's the URL you need to use to send your traffic to. When they buy by clicking on your link, you get the agreed upon commission. Sign up process. Research and find an affiliate that's right for you. When you find it, go to their website. Look for something like affiliates, join affiliate program, or partners program. Carefully read their terms and conditions. View all the products they offer. You want to make sure they are what you're looking for. If you clearly understand what you can and can't do when selling the product and you feel the commission rate is sufficient, sign up. They should direct you to a form to fill out online. If you don't find an affiliate application, you can either call them or email them and request one. They will want to know your name, address, phone, email, and if they give you a choice, how you want to be paid. Be prepared to give them your social security number. This is for tax purposes, and you will receive a 1099 at the end of the year. Some request it at the time of the application and others hold your earnings until they receive it. If you don't provide it within the time frame requested, however, you will forfeit any earnings you've made. Marketing. There are many different ways you can market your product, service online. Sometimes, it will depend on what the product or service is. It will also depend on you and where your talents and preferences lie. Here are a few of them. Blogging. If you like to write, you may want to write a blog post that tells what the benefit of your product, service is. You can use your unique URL and link it to your affiliate website. Videos. If you don't like to write, perhaps making a video would work better for you. You can tell your viewers about the benefits of your product. Then, just like the blog, you link it using your URL. Articles. You can write and submit articles. When you submit the articles to directories, you include the benefits of the product, service. Always remember to link it to the affiliate with your own URL. Social media. The benefits of social media are endless. If you don't have a social media page of some kind, such as Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn, you need to have at least one. You can write a blog or make a note why you're recommending this particular product, service and post your link on your wall.